Welcome to our presentation. I will explain how Zoho can help B2C businesses automate and streamline their operations, whether it's managing customer interactions, tracking field staff, or automating billing. Zoho provides an all-in-one solution to boost efficiency and customer satisfaction. Many service businesses use manual processes, which is inefficient. They see difficulties in tracking customer requests, missed follow-ups, field staff miscommunication, and delays in invoicing and payments, causing revenue losses and customer dissatisfaction. Let's see how Zoho addresses these challenges. Zoho CRM, combined with WhatsApp integration, ensures that customer interactions are streamlined. You can capture leads, automate responses, and track service requests all in one place. No more missed follow-ups or lost revenue opportunities. Zoho has all the features to automate the services right from WhatsApp integration, smart service tracking, field staff coordination, before and after service photos, auto-invoicing, payment reminders, AMC reminders. With the integration, service requests from WhatsApp get auto-logged into Zoho CRM. Service updates, schedules, and reminders are sent automatically. Past orders, customer location, and complete customer history can be tracked from Zoho CRM. Using Zoho CRM, service requests are assigned to the staff automatically. Staff is notified on WhatsApp and staff is tracked live. Service staff can upload before and after pictures, which get stored into the CRM automatically. We can auto-generate invoices upon service completion, send reminders on WhatsApp, and streamline the collectoyen process. We can send AMC reminders to customers automatically, WhatsApp alerts, improving your revenue. For more details on demo and implementation of the solution, please call on the given mobile number.